This is Talon's kind of main outfit, our photo outfit. So he's got a lovely personalised blanket in there. He's got a vest and a romper suit, a hat and some socks, and of course his blanket. So this is what Talon's coming home outfit is going to be. So excited. And I love his name. I don't care if anyone else likes it or not. I absolutely love it. It's French for lake, and one of the first places that Tom and I went together was Lake Garda. And spoiler alert, that's when he decided he wanted to marry me. And when we got home, he started saving for my engagement ring. There you go. A little bit of inside information there. So we just got these socks are just like from Asda. Baby romper is from Turtle Dove London. It's all organic cotton. It's so lovely and soft. It's really, really nice. I think the hat is from Asda as well. This has been knitted by his great nana. This was actually knitted for Orin. And the blanket is from the Cuddle company. Again, we got one of these for Orin and I absolutely love it. We've got the travel size. Orin still uses his now. Whenever we get him from nursery, he always wants his blanket on him, so it just lives in Tom's car. And obviously Eli, who's seen it all, who's been at both transfers, who was at Orin's birth, and yeah, we'll be with Talon. I've had to kind of sneak him out of Orin's room and the hospital bag is all packed, so it's all getting very real. How exciting. I love these. If you have to get a gift for anyone, well, not have to, the Cuddle company do some really nice stuff, and then they do full size blankets as well, and they're so soft and they wash really, really well. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.